And the objective of the trip is to do the whole thing with every transaction being outside of the monetary system. So I'm going to try to use only Bitcoin, gold, and silver.
Oh, wow.
And that's the challenge. And why it's Buenos Aires, because that's where my good friend Doug Casey is. And if you know Doug Casey, he's very well known for his views on freedom and liberty and those
legendary.
He's an absolute legend.
Yeah.
That's right. So that's kind of our objective, is to get from Santiago down to kind of the tip of South America, then go straight back up through Argentina to Buenos Aires to meet Doug Casey, using nothing but gold, silver, and Bitcoin. But the point there is that when I'm buying gas or getting a hotel room, that's going to be denominated in the local currency.
Yeah.
So you're subject to whatever Bitcoin may do that day, which as of right now, it can be incredibly volatile. Well, a lot of people, although might be a great speculation long term, or some people might consider that investment, and I totally see the argument for that. I think that's a great... it's a matter of when to buy it. That's a completely separate issue. Mm-hmm. But it makes sense, I think, to have that in the speculative side of your portfolio, Bitcoin, none of the others. But to have that in just your daily working capital for a business, that makes no sense whatsoever, because the volatility is just so high. No business owner is going to do that unless their expenses were denominated in Bitcoin.
Right.
And unfortunately, we're just not there yet. So that's why you've got to compartmentalize all these things. You can't just say, what should I do with my money? No, it's what should I do with my portfolio? And then within my portfolio, you've got insurance, you've got investments, you've got speculative plays. And then what should I do with my cash? How much cash should I have? And then if you're a business owner, how much working capital should I have? Those are all three completely separate questions and three completely separate strategies.
That's a good breakdown.